Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are looking for some new furniture for your outdoor space, these chairs, these wooden chairs by Melino are absolutely beautiful. So first of all, I really like how they look. They have that nice natural wood rustic feel to them. I feel like they could really go well in most outdoor spaces and really enhance your furniture, your look for your outdoor space. I also really like when I sit down, I feel like I'm getting good support. I feel like my head is supported, which is really nice. And these chairs can be used in a lot of different environments. So you could use them in your home outdoor space, take them to the beach. They kind of have that nice feel for a lot of different things. And as far as transport and storage goes, they fold up super easily. So I love that as well. You just fold it up and you're good to go to take it where you need to take it. So overall, these are beautiful and I think they work really well in a beautiful outdoor space. And that is my point of view.